And here we are. So today's like Friday. I'm shooting a wedding of Heather today. And yeah, I'm like 10 minutes early, which is not really early. Yeah, see you later. I'm gonna drive now because it's a bit sunny. Shooting wedding today. It's Heather's wedding. I'm here near Balara. It's gonna be an 8-hour shoot for today. It's around 1 p.m. and I gotta start shooting. Yeah.
Newlyweds Heather and Peter Nicola. Congratulations! Yay!
So I plan to vlog today because yeah, I'm shooting a wedding. Heather's wedding, Heather and Peter. Thing is, I planned I'm gonna vlog and film everything out, but nothing happened. Wasn't able to vlog. Yeah. So what you're going to hear in a few is just me ranting and blabbering and everything else. The usual things I do because I didn't vlog myself in the field. Good luck to you guys. Anyway, I'm just gonna change because yeah, I need to get ready. I need to go. There's a lot of files. I took a lot of photos, like more than usual, like a lot than usual. I don't know. I just keep on spraying. And that's gonna blow to my face again because the thing is I need to call them, so it's gonna be a lot of photos to work on. Good luck to me. Anyway, see you later guys. I'm just gonna go change, freshen up. Okay, let's see. Fuck man. Okay, it feels like nighttime here, but it's not nighttime because I'm gonna be heading out and I'm gonna do some stuff. It's already 2:00 p.m. I overslept. So this is the future of me, and the thing is, I just hate the fact that I can't finish a vlog, especially when I'm shooting. I just want to make a video of me shooting, or a day of me shooting. But when you're working, you have to work. You just have to let other things go. So for this case, we're just gonna go back, time travel to the 24th of January. This year, wherein I tried to do a wedding, and I'm gonna put a bit of narration if I can, but yeah, let's just go back. So this is me setting up the road, and yes, I have around 3 tripods. 2 of them are sturdy, the other one's not so. Yeah, so this was at Botanical Garden. Setting up 2 tripods, and usually I take off the head so that it can fit my think tank logistic managers 30. So I've made an update. I've just put small Allen screws underneath to lock them. I used to lock them with an Allen screw, or a small screwdriver that you punch underneath. But that one I'm just finger tightening it. You see, check that out. Yeah, finger tightening it. So it gets locked right away. I can remove it and I can lock it again easily. No need for a tool. So yeah. And first put one on this side here. This is gonna film the groom's reaction as soon as the bride comes in. And I don't know where I was heading. What was that? Oh, I left my gimbal there. Okay. Yep. And I just put it there. I don't know. I was trying to balance it, I reckon. Couldn't remember. It's been a while. Okay, taking a long time. Taking a long time. Taking a long time. Okay, at this point I think I'm trying to like do a quick glide up the front just to show how it looks. And I'm too lazy to pick up that file that I made. So yeah, let's just assume that I did it correctly. I'm not really good with glides then. Even now. And there I go again. Another attempt. Walking lazily. Go back and try to... yeah, Winnie just came. So she's doing the photos this time. She usually does the video, but this time I'm doing the photos. And yeah, trying to do a lot of B-rolls at the moment. Well, nobody's here. And then, yeah, the maid came in with all the drinks. He was a bit tired because it was an uphill heading there. So I was bringing my gears also. It was tough, but good thing that I only have one trolley. That way, yeah, I don't stress when I walk up. So like, yeah, pretty good. It's good that you plan your gears. That way you don't get stressed when doing the shoot. These guys, look at that. They were bringing that. And it's really exhausting heading up. So yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick video of me preparing. There goes the celebrant. Anyway, this wedding just messed up because I didn't plug a recorder on the microphone. Because I tested it. It was so good. No problems. I just put a lav mic on the groom. And then when everything started, the audio started cutting out. Like cutting out. You see that receiver on the other side. The celebrant placed. Yeah, it cut out a lot. So, and then during their vows, a helicopter just passed on top. Like, yeah, that one messed some things too. But either way, it was so fun and it was all good. Okay. Yep. Yeah, you can hear the helicopter now. Yeah, there it is. It's been going back and forth.